If you upgraded to Speechelo Worldwide, formerly known as Speechelo Tube, then you will get access to 2 extra functions that will help you translate any text into different languages and generate a voiceover, or import captions from a YouTube video and generate a new voiceover for that YouTube video. Now, in case you see right here, you own Speechelo Worldwide, that means you got the upgrade. If not, you should see an upgrade button and you can click right there to upgrade to Speechelo Worldwide. Now let me show you how this works. It's actually very simple but very powerful. So all that you have to do is paste in your text or write your text in the text box. Now let's say you want to generate this voiceover in the Romanian language and you never spoke Romanian language, you don't understand it, but you want to generate a new voice in Romanian. All that you have to do is click on Translate, you select the original language, you then select the translation language, and I'm going to go with Romanian, and just hit Translate. That's it. So as you can see, the text is now translated in Romanian, and believe me, it looks perfect, and all that you have to do is click on Generate Voiceover, because the language is already set to Romanian, the voice is selected, and that's it. So really in about 5 seconds I took an English text, translated it, and generated the voice in a different language. Of course, if you want, you can repeat this process, you can translate again, and of course the original language right now is Romanian, and I'm going to select to translate it to French. You hit Translate, the language is now in French, the language in settings is now selected, I select the voice that I want, and hit Generate Voiceover. Now that's not all. So the Speechelo Worldwide version will give you the option to take any YouTube video that has a caption on it, take that caption and automatically re-record the voiceover in any language or in any voice that you want. So let me show you how that works. So this right here is a training video for Thumbnail Blaster. That's one of our other softwares. Now, of course, it's recorded in English. Now, let me show you what you can do. So you can copy the video URL. Now you can move back to Speechelo, click on Import YouTube Captions, and right here you need to paste in the YouTube URL. After you do that, you click Get Available Options. Now it already populated, and as you can see, it found the original language being English. Now of course, depending on the YouTube video, you can see the original language in Spanish, French, or it depends on the language of that video. Next, you can simply import the caption into Speechelo and maybe generate the text using a different voice, a different English voice. But what you can do, you can also translate that caption, so you can actually generate a new voiceover for that video in a different language. So I'm going to select Translate Caption, Translate to Romanian. You can select a different language if you want right here. And right now click on Import Caption. Alright, so that's it. The text from that YouTube video was parsed by Speechelo, then translated to Romanian, and right now we have the language selected here in Romanian, and we can generate a new voiceover. Now of course, for long captions I really recommend to tweak the text just a bit, so add a few paragraphs, right? Correct anything, maybe add a few dots, add a few exclamation marks, a few question marks, so add as many punctuation marks as possible, and after that generate your new voiceover. Alright, so that's the power of the Speechelo Worldwide upgrade, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot.